Welcome to a quick guide on how to allocate a single receipt across multiple businesses within Docyt. With this feature, expense management across different entities is straightforward and accurate. Log into your Docyt account by visiting app.docyt.com. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Select Receipt Box from the drop-down menu and choose Receipt List to view all your receipts. Find the receipt you want to distribute. On the right side of the receipt row, click on the Amount button. Among the options displayed, click on Split Receipt. Now, choose Split Receipt across businesses. Decide how you want to split the expense, by percentage or by amount. Click the corresponding blue dollar or percentage button at the top right of the Split category screen. Use the Add Split button to add more lines for additional businesses, departments, or accounts as needed. For each line, select the business, and if necessary, the department. Then, choose the right chart of account, specify the amount, and add a description for future reference. Once all information is entered, hit the blue Save button. Your receipt is now expertly split. And there you have it. The expense is now allocated across multiple businesses accurately. For more efficient financial management with Docyt, stay tuned.